Okay guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. As you can see, I still have on my apron. Does it look nice? Yes, Rinty's Plate. Okay, today I am going to bake gizzardo. And I'm going to make it from scratch. I already grated my coconut and I'm going to make the filling and then I make the dough. Okay, with my filling I have 1.5 coconut. My coconut is a little bit big, you know. 1.5 coconut, 1.5 cup of sugar, and some vanilla. And I'm going to stir this and put it to set for like around 15-20 minutes. And then I will get back. And I'm going to add a little honey to it. Make it moist and nice. This is a lot, right? I'm not going to put it on the fire to cook. I'm going to just put it down till I'm ready for it. I love gizzardo so much. I love it. And my family, if I make this gizzardo tonight, it's going to finish tonight. You understand? Yeah, everybody just love gizzardo. And I also have 2 tablespoonfuls of ginger. Yes, I have ginger, vanilla, and my sugar to my coconut, my grated coconut, okay? Okay, you see it? That time coming, getting brown and nice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on the fire for like around 3 minutes, okay? Let it catch more color. I could cover it up and leave it like this and it will get brown, but I'm going to put it on the fire to get more juice. Okay? Alright, so over to my stove. My pot is on the fire. Filling in the pot. Family is big and everybody wants one. So I have to do what I can do for everybody to get a taste. A little tip of water. I don't think it needs no more. Okay, and I'm going to make it simmer down until it reaches where I want it to. Yes, you see it coming on very nice. I can turn it off now. My flour, I just took it from the fridge. I keep my flour in the fridge so it can get cool. And also had a pinch of salt because you know the butter is salt. So just here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it together. Oh, it's cool. At a time, I don't want the ice to catch in the water in here. Okay, I'm just gonna fold it in. I think it's enough now. So fold it nice. I don't want to try to knead it. I just want to fold it in the fridge like for the next 15 minutes. Oh yeah, my Ziploc bag ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my Ziploc bag. Wow. All right. I took my dough from my fridge and I'm going to use my countertop, clean and nice. Yes. I'm going to cut half of this and put back half till I'm ready for it. I like to just make it like a little dumpling, you know. I just like to make it like a dumpling and roll it. I just like to make it like this. Rolling stick. As it don't stick on. Oh, this is a sweet one, nice one, okay? All right. And I pinch it like this, okay? And because it's icy, it hold it. Okay, I do a pinch like this. And I go straight around. Put your finger here, your thumb here, and you're gonna pinch. Look at this big one, man. I think this one is for me. Make it go around right there, so. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my oven for 20 minutes. Okay? They look nice, right? Coming on very good. Okay, guys. My gizzard, them looking very nice. Okay? They're looking so nice. So nice, I'm telling you. And I make this big one for myself. For myself, this big one. Go for me. Right. Anybody want a gizzard can come and have it. This is my finishing touch. Look at them. Looking so good. Look. Look. Very nice. Are there? Thank God I'm in the shower. I'm not tasted before me. Very nice. Very, very nice. And this is my gizzard. And you know how it's nice? Look at the top. I put a little maple syrup. Soft and nice. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Down below, just leave a comment.
Oh, this looks delicious, darling. This looks so sweet. I'm gonna have myself this one.
No.
Why not?
No, honey. No, put it back. That's mine. See, I heat up. You the
Alright, I'll take a smaller one then.
All right, you can take it.
Alright, I can taste of this. I can taste how it tastes now. So delicious. Crunchy and nice. Gosh. The honey is so sweet.
Yes, I see it, man. Really nice.
You did yourself well.